Don't turn it, just hold it up.
Good.
Hit the button. Double tap it. Right there. Man, I really didn't get the camera going on that one. Ooh, he's barely hooked. I think he's a keeper. Let's check. All right, let me get a picture of you real quick with him. Let's get him back in.
Gotta hurry, Dad.
Here. Okay.
Good.
Hit the button. Double tap it.
What button?
Right there. Man, I really didn't get the camera going on that one.
Right there.
Ooh, he's barely hooked.
Oh. Oh, I'm right behind him. I try to twitch it. He is like not moving whatsoever. That was too hard.
Oh, don't snag him.
I'm just gonna hit him. No way.
Here, use this.
What?
Stand over here so I can get this out of here. Let me get this out. Move your foot.
Sorry. Got him.
You got him? You got the camera?
I think so. No way died. Or something.
Hold on.
No way died. Or something.
Hold on. Right here. Pull him up. Pull him up. Go slow.
Come on, drag.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I'll show you. I think he's big anyway.
Yeah, he will.
All right.
But I saw him eat it.
Yeah.
Or like his belly moved. So I just yanked it.
So we'll know what they look like. What's your name?
Oh, he's like right over.
Oh yeah, he's 16 and a half. I can't believe it. Wow. Okay, you put him, get a picture. Grab him. Play with that for a minute. You know he's not a keeper, so let me get a picture. For mom.
Slot fish.
Slot fish. Man, I really thought he was short. All right. Oh, like fork. Keeper. Pretty. Gonna weigh him today?
No, we're gonna put him back, right?
You turn it off. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's not good. He's wrapping up in it. Dang, what was I thinking? Uh-oh, that's not good. That's not good. He's wrapping up in it. Dang. What am I thinking? Dark. Go. It is dark. You got that tree pounder?
The grass master.
Anyway, I'm just trying to get close enough where I can net. I saw you, it looked pretty small.
So this one's on a bed, I think. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's on a bed.
You need to scoot up a little bit more?
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh.
I'm on a leaf though.
I see it now. Okay, stop right there. Let it set. Pitch right over there, Reese. I see something.
You went off of it.
Be back. Give it a minute. That's the kind we need. I'm gonna turn this off for a minute. Glad we came back. See, nobody's been getting up in here this far.
He's bit it, he's bit it. Try to catch the other one, please.
There's 4 of them. There's 2 right there and 2 right there.
Oh, there's 2 right there?
Yeah. Here he comes, here he comes. Yeah, there's 2. There's 2 coming at you, White.
Yeah. There's actually so many. I'm trying to catch it.
You hit him, I think. No, you missed him.
He doesn't see us.
What? Right there. Hold on. Don't move it. Don't move it. Pick up. Man, that bumped him. Where's your Ned, Reese? Grab your Ned. May like a different color. Should I scoot in just a hair?
This is perfect right here.
Okay.
I do not want to throw these fish off.
Put your fluke in there for a minute.
Cast back. About to catch it.
There's 5 of them. There's 5 of them. Mm-hmm.
Right above him.
Mm-hmm. A little farther, Reese. Can you get it that far?
Oh. I don't know if I can do this with big casting.
Loosen it way up and don't remember not to cast it.
Here, I want the Ned.
Let me get by your leg. What's your leg?
They aren't even looking for it.
Okay, we may need to try a bigger bait.
No, they're looking up the Ned.
I know, but we may need to try a bigger bait like that worm.
You want to do my worm?
Try this one. Try throwing this in there real quick, what? This is like a Ned.
I hate him.
Try this real quick.
I was going to use this.
Try this real quick.
Okay.
And then we'll go back to it. We'll just keep trying different stuff. Hmm? Try not to throw it in that stuff.
We're staying here.
Yeah, we are. As hard as it is right now for us, nobody else is catching fish, I bet.
Still on it?
There's a couple to the left. See that one right there sitting?
Yeah, I do. Oh.
Don't do that. Don't. You gotta wait till they hit it. No.
Yeah, they were swimming away, but
You bumped it.
Waiting to see one. Oh, it's sticking.
All right, go back to that Ned.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay, hold on. He's looking at it. Got him. Yes. Okay, y'all keep fishing.
I think that's the only keeper in this corner.
Oh, there could have been some more moved in, so.
Yeah.
Let me get right here. Yeah, he's not even 12.
Is that a fluke?
Oh my gosh, I gotta fix the stupid wires again. Y'all got the net, I gotta fix this wire. Okay, let it set all the way. Just let it fall. Now when you set the hook, you want to try to get him up out of this grass so he don't get buried. So okay. You got braid on there, so just bring him in. Let it set. Can't see him.
He's right up against it.
Yeah. Bring it in. Where's that Ned? Here. Try me out. He's still there. Oh crap, I'm filling this up too far. Got him? You got him? Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Don't turn it, just hold it up. You got him. All right.
That's that over, right? Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Do it again.
Put him in right there. Lake Fork over, barely.
Thanks for the mic, buddy.
Man, that's all right. All right.
Yeah, he's over. That might have been over. That might have been over. Definitely not easy. But that's we got to figure that thing out.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, I know you are.
There he is. Hey, when the fish come out, man, we wait to this the second time that's happened. I thought that was light.
Boat number 46 is going to be up next, bringing in 3 fish. And 2 fish. Nate and Wade Tom Bean, 241. Boat number 154 is going to be up next, bringing in 2 fish today. It'll be Wyatt and Reese from White Right. 348.
On your way.
Boat number 140 is up next, bringing in 4 fish today. It's going to be Logan and William from White Right. 5 even. 5 even.
Hey, you smoked us.
I don't know about smoking.
Man, I'm bummed out. I feel like I need to go back out there and fish some more.
I know, me too.
Nice. Excellent.